Right after college, you got a 90 LPA package.
Yeah.
ये कैसे हो भाई?
तो एक्चुअली कहानी ऐसी शुरुआत होती है कि
आपने close to I think 40 lakhs you earned in college.
Yeah.
How did that happen? Like क्या किया आपने ऐसा?
एक्चुअली ऑनेस्टली आई नेवर वांटेड टू अर्न दैट मच.
क्या freelancers पैसा कमा पा रहे हैं?
Yesterday I got a text from an influencer very big. He wanted to hire me as a editor, like lead editor, and you won't believe the package. It's 1 crore.
Can you take the name?
Yeah, it's
Oh,
Yeah.
oh my God.
yeah,
You gifted your mom a 20L car,
yeah. Last.
right? Which car was that?
So I gifted her.
How is your work-life balance, right?
My manager is not watching this, but it's very good. Like I work like 4 hours a day.
4 hours a day. That's it. Iman Ghazi and Alex Hormozi are a scam.
Honestly, I have stopped consuming content from Iman and
Alex.
Alex. It's a lot of knowledge porn, I would say.
अगेन आई फील आजकल के जेंजी को बहुत ज़्यादा लेजर की आदत है कि यार मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए अपने लिए, टाइम पास करने के लिए. दे आर नॉट विद द माइंडसेट कि यार मेरे को कुछ तो तोड़ना है, लाइफ में कुछ तो इजी करना है.
I think it's a very privileged generation, honestly.
समथिंग वेरी कॉन्ट्रोवर्शियल आई एम अबाउट टू से. आई डोंट नो इफ दिस विल कम आउट वेरी रॉन्ग. आपने एक छोटी सी शायरी कही थी अपने एक रील में कि अगर मुंबई में है सपने तो बैंगलोर में है हकीकत. कुछ सालों से यहाँ कई सारी हैं दिक्कत. क्या दिक्कत है भाई बैंगलोर में?
I think सबसे बड़ा तो ट्रैफिक है.
ओके
एंड आई थिंक उसी में पूरा दिन निकल जाता है, फिर किसी चीज़ के लिए टाइम तो बचता है नहीं. तो आई थिंक वो दिक्कत है. एंड लैंडलॉर्ड्स की दिक्कत है. लैंडलॉर्ड्स ट्राइंग टू चार्ज अ लॉट ऑफ रेंट. देन दे फॉर एग्जांपल हमारा जो भी लैंडलॉर्ड है, इवन दैट गाइज लाइक कि कैश में दो. हम लाइक भाई हम सैलरीड एम्प्लॉय है भाई, सब कुछ वाइट में है, कैसे देंगे आपको कैश में. तो ऑल दो स्मॉल नुआंसेस एंड देन police catching sometimes for no reason because you can't speak in the local vernacular, and then just charging you left and right. I think those are the couple of issues that I can think right off my mind.
ग्रेट भाई. वी आर विथ सोमरथ दत्ता.
Thank you.
सोमरथ आप रफली 5 साल से कंटेंट बना रहे हो
हाँ जी.
एंड राइट आफ्टर कॉलेज यू गॉट अ 90 LPA पैकेज.
Yeah.
ये कैसे हुआ भाई?
तो एक्चुअली कहानी ऐसी शुरुआत होती है कि हम लोग कॉलेज का इंटर्नशिप था, राइट. कॉलेज के थ्रू इंटर्नशिप होता है, तो उसमें मैं बैठा था इंटर्नशिप में, राइट. एंड उसमें मेरे को इंटर्नशिप लगा फ्रॉम अ वेरी गुड कंपनी. तो वहीं से शुरुआत हुआ. फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर मैंने किया, फिर देखा यार कि ओके आई लाइक दिस, आई काइंड ऑफ लाइक दिस प्लेस. एंड स्पेशली तो जो मुझे टीम मिला था, इट वॉज रियली ग्रेट. तो आई गॉट द placement through the internship. Basically, I did an internship in the company for like 2 semesters, and फिर मुझे like pre-placement offer मिला. And I could not sit in the placement cycle because there's a rule, 1.8x package का rule होता है कि you can only sit in the placement if जितना तुम्हारा placement का package लगा उसका 1.8x का package वाला company आए. तो ऐसे company आई नहीं तो हम बैठ ही नहीं पाए. तो that was the kind of thing. That's how I got placed there. And the tricky part here is कि we got placed during COVID, ठीक है, जब कंपनीज हायर कर ही नहीं रहे थे. तो इट वॉज वी वेर वेरी पैनिकिंग कि जॉब लगेगा नहीं लगेगा. बहुत ही बुरा हाल चल रहा था अक्रॉस ऑल दी कॉलेजेस, बीट IITs, बीट लाइक बिट्स पिलानी, व्हाटएवर, राइट. एंड फन फैक्ट वाज कि आई थॉट यार क्या हो जाएगा जिंदगी में, लाइक राइट. लाइक एंड मेरा ऐसा था कि जॉब तो चाहिए मुझे कॉलेज के आफ्टर कॉल, बिकॉज कमिंग फ्रॉम अ वेरी नॉर्मल मिडिल क्लास टिपिकल फैमिली. एंड जो माइंडसेट रहता है कि जॉब तो करना ही पड़ेगा लाइफ में, राइट. सो द इंटरेस्टिंग पार्ट ऑफ द पैकेज व्हाट हैपेंड इज कोविड के टाइम ऑल द टेक स्टॉक्स वर लाइक क्रैशिंग. ओके, सो हमको तब मिला था स्टॉक्स, राइट. अब वेस्टिंग पीरियड होता है 4 साल का, राइट. तो फर्स्ट स्टॉक तुमको 1 साल बाद मिलता है. तो करंटली दैट स्टॉक विच वी थॉट कि भाई इसमें तो ज़्यादा कुछ है नहीं, दैट नाउ स्टैंड्स एट लाइक 3 times which we can cash because it's a listed company, it's RSU, it's not ESOPs, वो scam नहीं है, तो proper cash है वो. तो yeah, that's the reason behind that package and that's how I got the job.
Now coming from Bits Pilani, मुझे एक चीज समझनी है कि we've been having conversations इसके पहले भी.
Right.
Something that I got to know was कि आपने close to I think 40 lakhs you earned in college.
Yeah.
And मतलब that was from freelancing or some job that you were doing.
Yeah.
How did that happen? Like क्या किया आपने ऐसा?
So as I said, I was interested in multiple domains. तो Actually, honestly, I never wanted to earn that much. Like, it was a byproduct basically. The earning was like a byproduct of me being very curious about everything and then just, it's just happening. तो अगर मैं आपको example दूंगा, the tech internship, 13 to 14 lakh came from just the internship. था, right? And then I did a lot of motion design gigs क्योंकि मुझे motion वगैरह में interest था. So what I used to do is like just LinkedIn में text करता था founders को कि I used to see their startup. I always first checked कि funded है कि नहीं है because I am not texting unfunded startups. But yeah, I should text them, do you want a promo video, right? So I used to make promo videos for them. That's how I started because that's a very high ticket item, right? Each of those videos paid like around 40,000, 50,000, and that was like 60 seconds का video. So back then it was a huge amount. Like college के time तो भाई 5-10 हज़ार मिल गया monthly, तो वही बड़ी बात था. तो I think that how it happened. Then I also explored a lot of shooting, filmmaking, shooting for others, editing. I also did a little bit of UI UX. तो सब कुछ मिला के, yeah.
Jack of all trades.
Hopefully
Master of some.
some बोल सकते हो आप. Yeah.
Cool. एक और चीज मुझे ये समझनी है कि अच्छा now since we are on the topic of Bits Pilani, ये एक थोड़ा सा controversial question है. Is Bits Pilani better than IIT?
I think there are multiple angles to this question. If you just talk about placements, probably it comes after the top 5 or 6 IITs. If you just talk about the placement. But I felt the life at Bits Pilani was really great because we had 0% attendance. I think that's one of the best part. Because तब तुम बच्चों को छोड़ोगे ना, I mean you hold them to go to classes. अगर उनका मन नहीं हो डिग्री में तो बच्चे क्या करेंगे?
तो इससे डिसिप्लिन नहीं चला जाता है बच्चों में.
It's a dual-edged sword, I would say. I mean, I have seen people using that time to crack, Google Summer of Code. Harish built a startup during that time. Ishan scaled to like, million subs. So, yeah. So, I think some people नहीं कर पाते. Some people कर लेते. So, for me, example, I was always very clear. Like, the day one in college, I was very clear कि मुझे कब क्या करना है. Right, I had the entire like roughly 3 to 4 years का roadmap कि कब मुझे क्या explore करना है and मुझे what is the thing I'm looking out for from in college. I think that helped a lot. But yeah, it's a dual-edged sword, I would say. And better in this space कि life बहुत अच्छा है, just you can roam around. There's no curfew at night, तो लोग घूम सकते हैं. And all those startups, all those discussions, I think ऐसे ही होता है रात को, ऐसे 4 लौंडे बैठ गए रूम में and then start tinkering around in the world. वैसे that's how some of the startups had begun and some of them are doing great right now. So
fair. And I think freedom बहुत ज़्यादा ज़रूरी है, especially younger ages में जब बच्चे खुद को explore कर रहे हैं. Right? If you stop that exploration, वो एक बहुत later stage में होता है life में जब शायद उनके पास अब वक्त नहीं है. तो I feel that is how freedom is very important. I think Bits Pilani is doing a great job at that. And talking about freedom, parents, you gifted your mom a 20L car.
yeah, last.
Right. Which car was that?
So I gifted her a Creta.
Okay. How was that experience? How did your mom react to it?
Mom just started crying and she didn't know what to say. कि बेटा इतना बड़ा हो गया. All she could say कि like that was very happy. And mom just kept on crying and she could not believe her eyes कि okay बच्चा बड़ा हो गया है, अब सोच रहा है मेरे बारे में.
Creta दे रहा है मेरे को.
Yeah, something like that.
Nice, nice, crazy. Okay, something I want to know. There are a lot of things I want to know about freelancing specifically क्योंकि you've killed that game,
Yeah.
right? अब आप शायद एक corporate environment में हो. You are probably doing a 9 to 5 or
Yeah.
something like that. But something I want to understand is क्या freelancers पैसा कमा पा रहे हैं?
I think that's a very nuanced question.
Okay.
I think top 1 to 5% of any people in any industry earns a lot. Now when I see some of my, one of my editor, so I have a team right now, obviously, like at this scale, you should have a team. So one of my editors got an inbound offer to join AVTV as a lead motion designer and अच्छा खासा salary था उसमें. So I'm like, yeah, people are earning a lot. I think now it has changed. Now especially editors, video editing जो landscape है, I think उसमें बहुत demand है. Every day, so many founders are texting me कि is there anyone like me जिसको मैं hire कर पाऊँ. For example, like yesterday I got a text from an influencer, very big American influencer. He wanted to hire me as a editor, like lead editor, and you won't believe the package. It's 1 crore.
Can you take the name?
Yeah, it's Airrack.
Oh, I love Iraq.
Yeah.
Oh my God.
Yeah, I got a text from him Instagram से आगे से and like bro let's connect now, please work with me. तो वो है, अभी बात चल रहा है, देखते हैं. But I think as a freelancer, as anyone, you should create. I feel that from the depth of my heart. क्योंकि I just launched one video. Just like I launched a lot of videos, but one of those videos really blew up and went to the audience जो कि बाहर like US में. तो we got like 3-4 clients आगे से. They are pitching us कि तुम edit कर दो या फिर like thumbnail बना दो, कुछ भी कर दो, right? So I think it's very important to create content because it is not about the quantity of views. It just has to reach the right person. अगर उसमें 10 views में and if it reaches air rack, हो गया फिर, right?
Fair.
I think people should not be afraid. And as a freelancer, you should show your work. I think that's the easiest way to get clients. I think तुम कितना cold text करोगे, cold mail करोगे. If someone's coming to you inbound, I think they already have that faith in you कि तुम फोड़ोगे and you have, I think, a little bit better negotiation power in that. मेरा तो ऐसा thought है. That has always worked for me. So yeah, they are making money. I would say 100%.
Fair. And back even when शायद 2018 के around
Yeah.
मैं भी freelancing वगैरह करता था.
Right.
One doubt back then, something that I already had, या हमेशा होता था ये doubt कि how does tax differ in freelancing? Like how do expenses and that 50% tax का जो फंडा है वहाँ पे,
Right.
because it's data, right? How does that happen and कैसे is it better than a corporate job या नहीं?
See, it's very simple. The way freelancers are basically business person, right? So you get taxed after. Basically, you have an income, you have expenses, and the remaining you get taxed. Salary works a different way, right? You're taxed. First you're taxed. TDS katta hai, right? Tax deductor. So also freelancing maybe katta if you are a creator like me because companies are paying you. So wo cut ke beste. But I think there's a lot of room to save a lot of tax when you're freelancing. Right? क्योंकि obviously तुम expenses शायद तुम्हारा ज़्यादा हो. That way you can balance it out. And I don't think there is a lot of room to save tax being a salaried person. तो मैं जो कार लिया ये भी मैंने business के नाम पे ही नहीं है. Salary के नाम पे तो मैं अपने पैन पे तो मैंने नहीं लिया, इसलिए there's a reason for that.
आप कुछ ट्रिक्स या ऐसा कुछ टिप्स बता सकते हो कि this is how you can save as a freelancer?
I think we should stop thinking about saving and start thinking about earning more. I think there's so much you can save. But हाँ, tricks बताओगे तो probably if you, for example, if some client is sending you money, right? Instead of, for example, if you need a product, you can just ask कि तुम मुझे product दे दो. तो that counts as a gift, right?
Right.
Those are some ways you can save little bit here, little bit there, but expenses तो दिखा सकते हो. Like you have a camera, you have an office, you have an AC. मतलब everything that comes kind of the part of it, you can show everything as like an expense. For example, अब कभी दोस्तों के साथ घूमने जा रहे हो. I'm not asking you to do that, but you can show that as like your team expense, right? घूमने वगैरह जा रहे हो.
Again, something very controversial I'm about to say. I don't know if this will come out very wrong.
Okay.
Iman Ghazi and Alex Hormozi are a scam.
Oh.
The reason being कि Gen Z बहुत ज़्यादा उनके वीडियोस को देख के अपना नॉर्मल कन्वेंशनल वे छोड़ के फ्रीलांसिंग की तरफ जा रहे हैं. What do you think about this?
First, I can't comment on if it's a scam or not, but I've seen a couple of videos regarding their business model. Iman का शायद हो सकता है, but Alex I don't think, because he has a lot of portfolio of companies under him. But I think a lot of creators get trapped in that lifestyle because now you have to be someone who you're not, right? तो वो तुमको keep on present करे because that fetches views, that gets views. Because if you're showing something that 90% people don't have, वो तो attract करेगा ही तुमको, right? Honestly, I have stopped consuming content from Iman and
Alex.
Because now I've started taking action and now I know a path. I think it's a lot of knowledge porn, I would say, because it's very cheap dopamine. Sometimes it's very cheap dopamine because you see a video and you feel कि okay, it's so easy, but it's not. So तुमको लगता है वो मैंने कुछ सीख लिया, but तुमने कुछ action तो लिया नहीं अभी तक, right? You don't know how invoicing works, you don't know how to reach clients, cold mailing कैसे करते हैं, and best way is to start.
मे बी शायद एक मोटिवेशनल या एक सरफेशियल लेवल पे इट्स गुड इन्फॉर्मेशन, बट पीपल शुड टेक देयर ओन डिसीजन बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट दे आर गोइंग थ्रू या व्हाट देयर गोल इज प्रॉब्ली.
Trust me, the way content industry works, only surface level broad content will fetch views. So there's a huge incentive
Which is very sad.
it's very sad if someone really makes a very good long form content about how actually a business works. There's a lot of vehicles, a lot of moving parts, people won't see. Retention will be so I think that's a loop, that's a bad place to be in. But जो लोग देखेंगे लोग वही बनाएंगे ना, राइट. इफ आई मेक अ वेरी टेक्निकल वीडियो अबाउट हाउ टू एडिट XYZ, नहीं चलेगा मुझे, तो मैं नहीं बना रहा हूँ, बट माइट हेल्प समवन आउट. तो it's a perennial trap that is very hard to get out of, I feel.
How is your work life balance right now?
Hope my manager is not watching this one. It's very good. Like I work like 4 hours a day
4 hours a day, that's it?
in the job.
Okay, of course.
Right. So it's good. Basically, we have to go to office like 2 days a week.
Mhm.
Also, I think it really depends on your team. I think even in a company's, your perspective about how a company's work-life balance really depends on your team, I feel.
Hmm.
Because some teams might be very hectic, some teams might be a little chiller. So fortunately, I'm blessed enough to have a team which also in a big MNC works like a startup, but also has that flexibility of having that work-life balance. So we are testing out the cutting edge tech and all those things. We are going on meetups. I am presenting papers. We are hosting meetups. All those चीजें का हम लोग कर पा रहे. So yeah, it's good, I would say. But I get that most people don't have access to these privileges. Even some of my friends, some of my flatmates working at one of the mangs, I won't name which mang, you would get it, is burnt out as hell. So
I think I know who you're talking about.
he's working on weekends. कल भी we went to ईरानी चाय उसके साथ. मतलब I like to drive car, तो I'm like, and I love tea. Okay, so I'm like, ठीक है, रात को ऐसे निकलेंगे गाड़ी लेके, तो थोड़े गेड़ी मार के आते हैं. And he was like ranting the whole time. My team is this. It's a very old legacy product. I don't like doing this. I'm planning to quit. I'm like, भाई मैं 6 महीने से सुन रहा था you want to quit. तो क्यों नहीं किया अभी तक?
पैकेज अच्छा है.
हाँ, पैकेज अच्छा है.
ग्रेट भाई. तो समथिंग दैट आई अगेन वांट टू अंडरस्टैंड इज कि जो आपका ऑफिस टाइमिंग है, यू वर्क देयर, डू यू ऑल्सो काउंट द थिंग्स दैट यू आर डूइंग फॉर योरसेल्फ, अपने ब्रांडिंग, अपने ओवरऑल पोजीशनिंग के लिए? इज दैट ऑल्सो एज अ वर्क दैट यू सी?
No, I don't have a work-life balance. It's work balance. So 4 hours office, rest, my own content and business. So I'm a very workaholic person. I work 7 days a week. Yeah, but yeah, वही आंसर है. Like 4 hours office की मैं बात कर रहा हूँ. बाकी अपना अलग. Because I have the flexibility, so I can focus on scaling a channel and a business like that.
I think I have the same theory कि
Right.
when you are in your 20s, you should not look for work-life balance. And again, I might be wrong.
I absolutely agree.
Okay.
I think this Gen Z is a little entitled.
Of course.
I don't know I'm Gen Z or not. I'm like somewhere stuck in
Like
between.
age-wise we are. Age-wise both of us are. लेकिन again, I feel आजकल के Gen Z को उतना, especially people शायद who are born after 2000s, बहुत ज़्यादा leisure की आदत है कि यार मुझे थोड़ा सा टाइम चाहिए अपने लिए,
Right.
टाइम पास करने के लिए,
Right.
दोस्तों के
Scrolling,
साथ
doom
बैठने
scroll करने के लिए.
स्क्रॉलिंग करने के लिए, ब्रेन रॉट करने के लिए.
Right.
ठीक है, दे आर नॉट विद द माइंडसेट कि यार मेरे को कुछ तो तोड़ना है, लाइफ में कुछ तो क्रेजी करना है.
I think it's a very privileged generation, honestly. Like, we haven't seen war, we haven't seen any of those. It's a very comfortable generation. So yeah, I do believe that.
तो सोमरत, आई ऑलवेज थिंक ऑफ दिस वन फ्रेज, एंड अभी के जनरेशन के लिए आई थिंक इट्स वेरी एप्लीकेबल, दैट बैड टाइम्स क्रिएट स्ट्रॉन्ग मैन क्रिएट गुड टाइम्स क्रिएट वीक मैन अगेन क्रिएट बैड टाइम्स. So it's sort of a loop.
It's a vicious
life
cycle.
Yes. So somewhere or the other, I feel maybe the upcoming generation might be that.
हो सकता है.
Again, I might be wrong.
For example, like our generation, like you and me, I think we are in a transitive generation where we have seen pre-AI everything.
Hmm.
And we are also in the currently the AI landscape. So I think days are frightening because people have, again, एक तो मेहनत करना नहीं है किसी को, पैसे सबको चाहिए, and people have lost the ability to critically think. When was the last time people just tried to solve a problem on a piece of paper, which any minor inconvenience go to ChatGPT, right? Helps in the short term, but what are the consequences of the long term, right?
तो फुल टाइम जॉब के मुकाबले फ्रीलांसिंग में पैसा, टाइम, ये सब क्या ज़्यादा मिलता है?
It's a very nuanced question, I feel. Like, what is your benchmark? Are you comparing, again, I don't want to take names, but are you comparing like a 3-5 LPA service based jobs compared to a very high end freelancing skill like copywriting or video editing, motion design? Or are you comparing like a very good work life balanced tech job, 40-50 LPA, to like freelancing, right? So it's a very nuanced question. So from my experience, what I have personally felt is I had financial obligations थोड़ा बहुत घर में, तो I felt that having a job would help me. So my decision would have drastically changed if I were in a tier 2, tier 3 college. Because that time I was building an agency, kind of like we were doing like not a lot, like 1 lakh per month. And I had to take a decision ki, do I do the agency or do I take the job? If I get the job, I will do the job. If I don't get the job, then I will scale the agency, right? I think if you are in a good college in tech, starting with a job and then building on side is the safest, lazy option, I would say. Freelancing is a great option for people who don't have access, I feel. Like access to the best jobs, because I think access is still a problem in India because a lot of these best companies are still a little biased towards picking talent from IITs, BITS, NITs. So even if you have the same level of skill or even better, the chances of you getting into that your dream company statistically is lower. So I think for those people also, you can always come. See, I've seen a lot of examples. You start very slow. You get a bare minimum job and you keep jumping and you be there, right? तुमको मिल जाएगा. You will, in overall in life, you will get there. But what you lose is the time, right? It took to get there. So I think, again, it's a very nuanced question. I think if you don't have access, I think freelancing is an excellent option, but really depends on how you are. Are you good at negotiations? Are you someone you're looking up to do sales? Because everyone hates sales, but everything in life is sales. You see, every conversation with someone is sort of a negotiation. मम्मी जब सब्जी मंडी में लेती है तो वो भी 100 का बोलती है 10 दूंगा, right? तो it's very important. I think at least you should try. Even if you are in a tier 1 college, just want to do a job, तो वो दिखता है. Like I feel I'm very different from my fellow mates जिनका बस job है. Very different. Freelancing really helps in that sense. But if you don't have access, you should do freelancing. If you have access to really high quality jobs, do the job, explore on the side, I would say. But you can make money in both. Trust me, you can make crores in both. Simple answer hai bhai. If you're in the top 1% of any skill, you will make money. It's that simple.